Let me show you how to not show your camera when enjoying the Microsoft Teams. Let's get started. And if this is your first time on this channel, make sure you subscribe so you never miss anything important. Well, of course, whenever you are either creating your meeting yourself, or you are joining someone else's, you can see when I click on the join button, before I actually join, I have to click on some options. I mean, I don't have to, but I have the ability in here. So I get to decide if the video is going to be turned on or off when I join. Then of course I can choose the background effect and the camera, so I can flip the camera and enable the microphone and have the speaker ready, whatever. These are all of the settings which I do before I even join the meeting, right? So I have to confirm it, and if I don't want to show my camera while I join for the first few moments, I have to make sure that the video is off before I actually click on the join now. You also have like more join options which you can click on, but that is joining without the audio, right? And you can see that it's gonna like mute you together, but like of course you can also just disable the microphone in here. But then when you click on join, the camera will be turned off by default, and you will always be able to enable the camera and show yourself, but it's not like it's automatically being shown when you are joining. So that is likely the thing you have in mind. If not, let me know about it below in the comments. Perhaps I'll be able to make an updated video about it so it can help you even further. But for now, that's it. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll talk to you later in the upcoming tutorials as well.